Hi, I'm going to look at ThingLink for education today. ThingLink helps you create interactive images. You can actually embed all types of media, visuals, websites, so many different things. That's the free version, can do all that. You can also get the premium version, which is $35 a year, which I'm not sure what the conversion rate is for UK pound, but just have to do a Google search for that. But it's not bad for what you get. But to be honest, free version you can do enough to make some really good interactive visuals. You can create interactive visuals for the learners, and they can actually use it to create research for their projects, and it just makes it more interesting for them to be able to embed all this media into an image about a specific topic. This is just showing you things about the premium version. The difference is you can get these different icons which could make it more visual. You can actually embed Google assets with it, Google Forms, so they can actually do fill in answer questions on a Google form about the image and all the interactive media within it. So there are pluses for getting the upgrade, but I'm going to show you how to use the free version today, and you can do quite enough with that. It is pretty good. So if you just go to, obviously you log in as a teacher, and then you can just go to create. So as you can see, you've got quite a few tutorials to help you out, and you've got different ways to upload your background image. So you can upload it from the computer. If it's a really large image, good way to embed it is as a web address, web URL. Import from Facebook Photos or from your Flickr image account. So I'm going to just upload from my typo folder that I've already made, and I'm going to use this image as my background. So once you put your image in, you'll get this pop up. So there's my image. So if I click on the image, you get your little icon, and you get your all the options are for the free is to just put a link. Now this can be any type of link, so image, web page or media, and then you can type some text, or you can just type text. I think it's nice to have something interactive. These are all the upgrade versions. So if I come back here, I've got a YouTube video on the history of typography, which is a little animation which I think will be really helpful. So obviously my topic is typography, so you can absolutely do it on anything. And then I'll go back, put my link in, and I'll put video, history, typography. So then I save the tag, and then I choose around the image where I'm going to go, and then I'll search for my other things. Yeah, typography rules and terms. I think that's a good one to put in. Save it, and then I'll put some images in. Yeah, David Carson, quite a well-known typographer who went against the grain for normal typography. Go back with that in. So as you can see, really quickly you can actually build it up. Carson, save tag. Especially if you gather your images before. Neville Brody is another typographer. I think would be someone good for who you should have on any information about typography. So Neville Brody. So it just gives the learners an intro, and then they can do some research, do some more research on these people. And I've got some web addresses we can put in. Actually, that's quite a nice visual. Shows you what I can do with typography. Where should I put that there? So typographic art. That's the one I was looking for. So this is a bit more information about one of the typographers that I included an image about. So let's get this one. Oops. Oh my God. Get it right in a minute. Neville Brody info. So save that, and then I could go on and on. As you can see, it's really quick to build up this little interactive image. So let's get the title in. Just call it simple typography. Save your image. There you go. And as you roll over, you can actually watch the video in the image. Just really history of typography. So you can see you put plenty of informative videos in and visuals and actual websites. They can go straight to the website from the image. It's great, really good. There you go. So you've got this, you've got the rules and terms. I think it's really good. So then you can share it, and I think a good way you can either, the students can do a link and then they can share the link with you on their Google Classroom or the VLE, or they could actually use the copy and paste the embed code into their blogger. So they actually embed the whole interactive image into their blog, which is great. So yeah, that is it. See how quick it is to build up a real 21st century interactive visual that gathers their research. You can give it to them to get an interest in the topic, start them off with some little information. This can be used for flipped learning. You can put this on the VLE or Google Classroom for them to start their research off, and then they can actually get an account and create one of their own each. So really good stuff. So be worth having a go. Have a try. As you can see, really simple but effective.